This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying your available MB and any soft caps. This prevents surprise throttling. Once done, enable the app's streaming mode and pick a quality that matches your quota. Lower quality saves MB. Make sure to close background apps that consume data. If using cellular, position yourself for the strongest signal. If on Wi-Fi, confirm the router isn't rate limiting. These steps get your stream ready without wasting bandwidth. You now begin the actual stream. Select the content and allow a short prebuffer to gauge throughput. While streaming, watch real-time MB usage and latency so you can immediately lower resolution if consumption climbs. Use adaptive bitrate when available because it balances quality and data use. Set a local cap or notification at around 80% to avoid cutoff. Once stable, you can let the stream run while occasionally checking for quality drops or sharp MB increases to intervene quickly. You finish by stopping the stream cleanly to ensure analytics log every second of usage. Then clear the app cache so future sessions don't inherit temporary data. Review the MB log to understand per minute consumption and tweak default quality or per buffer size for the next time. If playback stutters or MB accounting seems wrong, toggle streaming mode, restart your network radio or Wi-Fi, and reconnect. That simple restart often.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.